Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. One of the shot for brochure for beachside hotels. Well, I have this image and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, actually, I made some nice colors image from these two the other day by Adobe Fresco, yeah. But this time I will try on Procreate to make it. And also I have some, thought about it. I should maybe make something better. I don't know, I want to try it again. Well, let's get started. I have this image, but let's see, change blend mode on this pencil drawing type image. Well, I did once, so I know what the color is going to be, and I'm kind of excited about this. I got real nice colors on this luminosity. Well, real saddle color, nice blue, real saddle yellow and stuff. To get these colors more darker, okay, I'm gonna make a group, then duplicate this group and flatten this image. Now I fixed this one layer. Okay, again, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then one of the top, change blend mode to multiply, then merge down. Now, this is second time, duplicate again and change blend mode on top to multiply again, or let's see. Yeah, multiply linear burn is darker. Even though I'm gonna get this dark dot dust on maybe come from scanning something. Well, anyways, I'm gonna change to multiply to get more darker color, then merge down. Okay, this is gonna be the base image, but I want to smudge. Wow, that's what I did last time too. Smudge to get out of this black dot, kind of rainy dust. Well, I should smudge right now. So I'm gonna make duplicate and turn off to keep it just one full image. And I'm gonna smudge on this second one. Okay, smudge tool. Let's see, little pine and gloaming, both. Now go from little pine, gloaming goose. Well, this is okay too. And maybe evolve, much, yeah, I guess much faster. Okay, I'm gonna take these grains out. I'm going to be careful with this real precise details. Leave the little details, not smudged. Take out this black dot only. Just leave the details. Okay, almost done. I can touch up later. Details and some area. Okay, this is nice colors. Real shadow, nice. Okay, now next. Okay, this is smudged. Okay, I'm gonna change all the names. Okay, I changed all the names and I'm gonna break this group, move this and this out to group, and I'm gonna delete this group. Now we got the 4 layers, 4 images. Now this luminosity effect layer, just turn it off to keep it, right? Then this one is smudged already. Nice smooth background, no grains. Okay, and I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image blend mode back to normal. Then I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not. I'm gonna move this one go up and turn it off to keep this one too. And well, about luminosity effect smudge the image. Let me see, change the image to this overlay image. This is super nice colors. And also I just want to check. Let's see, if I move, I'm going to duplicate this original image, then move, then let's see, bring this one back to normal, then change the original image, change blend mode to, I want to show this water's edge, this beach side. This is real nice. Yeah, find out this water's edge. I want to show nicely. Yeah, I guess linear burn shows this water's edge. Okay, just leave it this one, this original image. Let me see if I make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal just rough with evolve. Okay, this is the edge of the water, right? Then I'm going to change this luminosity effect smudge the layer, change blend mode to the was overlay. Yeah, this is a nice color, right? Now how can I go real nicely, smoothly combine to the background? Let's see. Okay, probably I'm gonna, okay, again, fill layer with black again, and use real smooth airbrushing to medium brown, real soft to reveal this. Nice, to get to some kind of texture of the towel, the shadow or something. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, this water edge shows more depth and a nice beachside background. Yeah, now we know this is not sky, this is ocean. That's, yeah, real nice. Then I should lighten up more contrast or something on this original image to make it more smoothly go with this background. So let's see, on this original image, use that curves, okay, from gamma. Just touch, lighten up, highlight side, density is okay. Now down the shadow side to make it contrast. Yeah, I guess this much, and just a touch bluer to clean up. Alright, I guess that's it. Before, after. A little bit dark. It's clean. Yeah. Alright. Almost. It's really clean. Now let's see about this. I want to finish up this finish. Okay, this canvas resize. I want a white border around. Okay, that's clean. Done. Then I'm gonna make white border outlines. Yeah, this color is nice and some texture of the tones, alright. Let's see, add layer and fill layer with white, then make mask. Now reveal with evolve. I may add some, maybe one more layer, then well, about this much. Well, I'm gonna add some more colors, real nice, soft. Well, that's it. Yeah, I think nice to have this water's edge of the ocean. So this color is gonna be not sky blue. This is ocean blue. Alright. Okay, I add some colors on this real subtle, but we see here, around here, nice ocean's bubbles. And this is linear burn effect, this much. I like that. And this is original image with luminosity effect layer, change blend mode to overlay. Gets these nice colors. Alright, that's it. And well, this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.